On Monday, February the 16th, we will observe the holiday set aside to honor the contributions to our nation of the 44 men to serve as President of the United States. And the contemporary version of President's Day is a singular celebration, successor to earlier observances of the birthdays of our first president, George Washington, and our greatest president, Abraham Lincoln, but falling on the precise date of neither. Instead, President's Day has developed into an opportunity to honor the legacy of all those who have held the office, to recall the challenges each of them faced, and then to reflect on the degree to which they triumphed, really, over those challenges. Only a few of our presidents have records of achievement that justify comparison to either George Washington or Abraham Lincoln, but every one of our presidents has contributed in some way to the preservation of our great nation. And setting aside the third Monday of February each year for President's Day is just our way of saying thanks. Happy President's Day.